How to unfriend someone on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to unfriend someone on a Snapchat. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a Snapchat app. Sign in to your accounts. Now navigate to chat icon at bottom left. Look for the friend whom you want to unfriend. Long press on particular chat and then tap on manage friendship. Here you see various options. Simply choose remove friend. And to confirm, select remove. And then this friend will be unfriended from our Snapchat. And they no longer will be friends of us. So by doing so, you will successfully unfriend someone on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.